electric current electric current I, its SI unit coulomb per second or ampere a. Instantaneous current I is equal to dq upon dt. Del q is equal to integrations t1 to t2 I dt. Charge flow through cross sections from t1 to t2 if I is equal to constant. Del q is equal to I in bracket t2 minus t1. Average current I average total charge flown upon total time taken is equal to del q upon del t. Directions of current directions along flow of positive charge opposite to flow of negative charge. Del q is equal to integrations I del t is equal to area under it graph. I is equal to dq upon dt slope of charge time graph. Now current density is equal to electric current upon area normal to current normal it means perpendicular. J is equal to I upon a1 SI unit is equal to a per meter square vector quantity. Directions of current density is along current. J is equal to I upon a cos theta if J vector is equal to constant. I is equal to J vector dot A vector if J vector is variable. I is equal to integrations J vector dot dA vector. Now current electricity current carrier in different medium: liquid positive ion negative ion, gas positive ion negative ion, free electron, solid insulator not current carrying, conductor, metal, free electron, semiconductor, electron and holes. Electric current in conductor: free electron density N, number of free electron per unit volume is equal to number of free electron upon volume. Current carrier I is equal to Ne AVD. J is equal to I upon A Ne VD. Current is same at both cross sections 1 and 2. I is equal to N1 E A1 V D1 is equal to N2 E A2 V D2. If N1 is equal to N2, same material, A1 V D1 is equal to A2 V D2. Ohm's law: A vector is equal to minus E vector upon M. K Boltzmann constant. M is equal to mass of electron. E is equal to 1.6 10 के power minus 19 coulomb. Average velocity of all free electron Vd is equal to a small e capital E tau upon M.